Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me VIVO X80 Pro device, and now I will show you how to bypass Google Family Link on this device, on a VIVO X80 Pro device. So, firstly you need to open settings, then scroll down, click Google, click manage your Google account. Critical security alert, okay. Choose data and privacy, scroll very down and click delete your Google account. Confirm your password. Click next. Wait a while. Scroll down, click yes, I understand, yes, yes, delete account, but not afraid, we will recover it in this video. So now just go back to your apps menu, and as you can see, all my apps are successfully unlocked. So fine, but now we need to recover our Google account. So to do it, open Play Store, click sign in, and enter your email. Click next. You will see this message. Your account was recently deleted and may be recoverable. So click next to attempt to restore this account. So just click next. Enter your password. Click next. You will see this message, so just click next and insert your email again. Click next again. Now we not see deleted message, so just confirm your password. Click next. I agree. Accept. And fine, as you can see, Google account was successfully recovered. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.